Greetings, all. Let's see who dares to step inside the Lair of Shares. Solve the puzzles, but beware. The treasure goes to those who share.
One for you and one for me. Wow!
Oh, it's locked.
Look, there's a key. But how do we reach it?
I am the genie of the air.
Oh.
To win the first key, you must find all of my gems. But to make things trickier, you must share the gems equally between these two bowls. And hurry, when the sands of time run out, a bird will fly off with the key.
How can we put the same number in each bowl if we don't even know how many there are?
Remember how we shared the lanterns? One for you, one for me.
Yes! If we put one gem into each bowl in turn, they'll always have the same number of gems. One for you, one for me. One each.
One for you and one for me. It's working! 2 gems in each bowl.
One for me.
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 That's all of them. There are 6 gems in my bowl.
And 6 in mine. That's 12 gems altogether.
That's right. 12 gems shared between 2 bowls is 6 in each bowl. Congratulations!
There you are! I thought you'd never get here.
I am the genie of water. Your next challenge is to share my 15 watery gems between these 3 shells. So each shell has the same number of gems.
Oh,
The next key.
Share the gems before the waters run dry, or the key will be sucked down the bottomless plug hole.
quick! 1 gem at a time. No, that's too slow. Let's get 3 at a time. 3 shells, 3 gems. 1 gem in each shell.
Good thinking, 3. 3 shells, 3 gems. 2 gems in each shell.
Each time there's 1 more in each shell. 3 more, and 3 more, and that's all of them.
15 gems shared between 3 shells is 5 gems in each shell. Good sharing, team.
Hello. Nice and warm here. I am the genie of fire. To win the final key, you must share my 20 fiery gems into these 4 chests. You have until my toast is ready. Go! We need to make sure we find all 20. So let's lay them on the ground as we go. Then we can check. 1 for each chest. Now you put yours there. We need 5 rows of 4 to make 20. My toast is nearly done, and the key is nearly toast. I can't see any more. Do we have them all?
We can't have. Look, this line has 1 gem missing. Here. Now all 4 lines are equal.
That's right. 20 gems shared equally between 4 chests is...
4 lots of 5.
You've won the game.
Gems of water, fire, and air. Enough for everyone to share.
You can count on us with the Numberblocks.
How many 2s is too many 2s, amigo? Let's find out with a game of How Many 2s?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh?
Factor beam set. Divide into 2s.
What's happening? Yikes!
Let's find out how many 2s there are in 6. 1,
Hey!
2,
Stop that!
and 3.
Whoa!
There are 3 2s in 6.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Happy Terrible Tuesday, everyone! Or should that be every 2? Whoa! Target acquired.
Never fear, 14. I've dealt with the terrible 2s before. Octoblock shield. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yikes!
1,
Hey!
2,
Hey!
3,
Hey!
4.
Hey!
There are 4 2s in 8. You're in the lead, amigo, but not for long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, pretty. There are 7 2s in 14. Beat that.
Excuse me. I need to lend a hand.
Hold still. 17 is greater than 14, so this should put me back in the lead. Hey! Hey!
Remainder alert! Remainder alert! There are 8 2s in 17 and 1 left over. Remainder 1.
No!
10 experience! I must paint it!
Where's that reset switch? Aha!
You've got to hand it to me.
Hey!
Factor beam reset. Divide into 5s.
You can't catch me!
Oops, I've divided 10 into 2 5s. Sorry, learn a driver.
Remainder alert! Remainder alert! There are 3 5s in 17 and 2 left over. Remainder 2.
I think I've got the hang of it now. The 2's factor beam divides you into 2s, and my factor beam divides you into 5s. But only if there are no blocks left over. Whoa!
What can I say? There's just no dividing some people.
I know how to stop the terrible 2s. And I know who can stop them. Mission accepted.
Factor beam reset. Divide into 1s.
Uh-oh.
Ah! How many 1s in 2? 2, of course.
Double bah!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Never any remainders when you split into 1s.
Well, well. Aren't you the naughty ones?
Don't worry. The factor beam wears off in time.
Well, I don't think we'll be having any more trouble from... Wait! Where have they gone?
Watch the skies!
You can count on us with a Numberblocks.
Welcome to my divide and drive go-kart track. How many karts do you need?
What do you mean, how many? Isn't one enough?
No. Only 3s can fit into my go-karts, so you'll need to divide into 3s before you can drive. Divide and drive. Take off 3 and we'll see what's left. 6 minus 3 equals 3. There you go. There are 2 3s in 6, so you need 2 karts. Off you go. Yikes! Lots of customers. 9. How many karts do you need? How many 3s in 9? Leave it to me. I'm good with 3s. Let's take a 3 off.
9.
Minus 3 equals 6. And again. 6. Minus 3 equals 3. Hey!
1, 2, 3. The 3 threes.
Yes, yes, yes!
Oh, can you please move faster? Some of us can't wait to go-kart!
Hey! I'm going as fast as I can, you know. Subtracting 3s one by one is a slow business. I mean, if you know a faster way of dividing into 3s, you tell me.
Time.
Oh, I know! Juggling helps me think. Oh! It's a sign! A new sign! Maybe this can help me divide you up faster. Let's see. Look, can't you see? I'm keen to try something new. Instead of taking 3s away over and over, let's divide you into 3s all at once. 12 divided into 3s equals 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 3s in 12. Oh, I can divide anyone like this.
Anyone, you say? Why, I'm anyone. Give it a go. 16.
No. You need to make a rectangle that's 3 blocks high, like 12 did.
Nope, not going to happen. Got this 1 block remaining on the end.
I guess I can't divide you into 3s without leaving some of your blocks behind. Sorry, 16, but you won't fit in my go-karts.
Oh.
Excuse me, coming through. Who wants to go on my go-kart track? For 4-wheel drivers.
Ooh, can I try?
Sorry, 3. Only 4s can drive my karts.
Oh, maybe I can. 16.
Divided into 4s equals 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 4s. Oh, yeah.
Literally unable to wait a moment longer. 18!
Divided into 3s equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, yeah! 6 times 3 equals
18! Oh, what do you know? Division is the opposite of multiplication. Here I go again. 18!
divided into 3s equals 6. 6 times 3 equals
18! I could do this all day, so I will. 18!
divided into
Some numbers are just born to show off.
6 times 3 equals
18!
divided into 3s equals. Look at me!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number blocks. 1 and another one is 2 and another one is me. That's 3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for some number fun. You can count on us with a number box.